Sometimes the car world gets news that changes everything. This is one of those moments. Not just another upgrade, this is a fundamental shift. Mercedes-Benz, with their acquisition of YASA, has unveiled an electric motor that's both outrageously powerful and incredibly light. This isn't evolution, it's a revolution. YASA's founder, Dr. Tim Woolmer, revealed their prototype motor didn't just meet expectations, it blew them away, even overwhelming their own testing equipment. Imagine building a go-kart that accidentally breaks the land speed record. That's the scale of this breakthrough. This isn't just a win for Mercedes, it's a seismic event for the entire industry. What's remarkable is that this technology, the YASA Flux Engine, isn't a distant dream. It's set to power the next generation of AMG models, soon to hit the road. Electric performance has always meant instant torque, but also heavy cars. That compromise is over. The era of lightweight, hyper-powerful, mass-producible electric supercars is here. For years, electric cars got faster but heavier. Mercedes and YASA have flipped the script. They tackled the biggest problem, weight, and solved it elegantly. The implications are huge, not just for Mercedes, but for every automaker chasing true electric performance. The game has changed, and the future of driving will never be the same. This is the kind of engineering that gets your blood pumping. The revolution is real, and it's happening now. The YASA Flux Engine is no ordinary electric motor, it's a new benchmark for power density. The prototype delivers a staggering 737 horsepower, yet weighs just 13.1 kilograms, about 29 pounds. That's more power than a Dodge Hellcat in a package you could carry under your arm. Its power density, 42 kilowatts per kilogram, nearly doubles the previous industry record. This leap comes from its axial-flux design, which is more like a pancake than a cylinder. The flat, compact shape is inherently more efficient, using less material and wasting less energy as heat. The result? More power, less weight, and greater efficiency. YASA achieved this using standard, readily available materials. No exotic metals or expensive 3D printing. It's designed for mass production up to 50,000 units a year. This isn't a one-off, it's a commercially viable product ready for real-world cars. Mercedes is putting this motor at the heart of its fastest AMG models. The YASA Flux Engine is set to redefine what's possible in electric performance. It's not just a technical marvel, it's a game-changer for the industry. The future of high-performance EVs starts here, and it's coming to a road near you soon. To grasp the YASA motor's impact, compare it to legends like the Dodge Hellcat V8. The Hellcat's 700-plus horsepower engine weighs over 260 kilograms. The YASA motor? More power, less than a tenth the weight. Even compared to top electric motors like Koenigsegg's dark matter, YASA's is lighter and just as powerful. Imagine a car with two YASA motors over 1,400 horsepower, with a combined motor weight of just 26 kilograms. This power-to-weight ratio transforms performance. Lighter cars accelerate faster, handle better, and are more fun to drive. The motor sustains peak power for about 5 seconds, enough for blistering acceleration. More importantly, its continuous power is nearly as high thanks to advanced cooling with standard fluids. This isn't just a sprinter, it's built for endurance, perfect for racetracks or mountain roads. The YASA motor redefines what's possible for electric cars. It's a featherweight with heavyweight punch. The future of performance is lighter, faster, and more thrilling, and it starts now. The secret to YASA's breakthrough? Axial-flux design. Traditional motors use a radial flux layout, think spinning tin can, long and heavy. Axial flux is more like a record on a turntable. Flat, compact, and efficient. The magnetic forces act across a larger diameter, generating more torque with less material. This pancake design saves weight and space, giving car designers new freedom. You can mount these motors at each wheel or stack them for even more power. Axial flux motors aren't new, but making them durable and affordable for mass production was the challenge. YASA, with Mercedes backing, cracked the code, delivering record-breaking performance in a robust, cost-effective package. This technology moves from niche hypercars to mainstream performance vehicles. The result: better weight distribution, lower center of gravity, and more space for passengers or batteries. It's a smarter, more efficient way to build electric cars. The axial flux revolution is here, and it's about to change everything. What's remarkable about the YASA Flux Engine isn't just its power, but its practicality. No cobalt, no exotic materials, no expensive 3D printing, just smart engineering with standard parts. This means high performance isn't limited to million-dollar hypercars. Mercedes can build these motors at scale, making them viable for AMG sports cars. The cooling system is equally clever, using standard fluids for insane cooling, simplifying the car's design and reducing costs. A lighter, more compact motor means a lighter chassis, simpler cooling and easier manufacturing. Every smart choice cascades into a better, more reliable car. This is innovation for the real world, fast, efficient and scalable. The YASA Flux Engine proves you don't need exotic materials for groundbreaking performance. It's a holistic approach. Every part works together for a greater goal. The result? Cars that are faster, lighter, and more fun to drive. The future of engineering is smarter, not just stronger. Where will we see this technology first? Mercedes is clear. The YASA Flux Engine powers their new AMG.EA electric platform. This clean-sheet architecture is built for electric performance from the ground up. We've seen a preview in the Vision 111 concept. Next, it's coming to the AMG GT-XX and the new AMG CLA 45. Imagine a four-door coupe with dual motors, all-wheel drive and over 1,000 horsepower. The light compact motors mean handling and agility that could rival the best petrol sports cars. The AMG.EA platform supports 800-volt systems and up to 3 motors for ultimate torque vectoring. Each wheel can be controlled independently for perfect cornering and traction. This isn't just about speed, it's about making electric cars more engaging and thrilling. For AMG, the YASA Flux Engine is the answer to keeping their performance legacy alive in the electric era. Electric AMGs will be fast, agile, and full of character. The future of driving excitement is electric, and it's coming soon. The YASA Flux Engine's impact goes beyond cars. It could transform aviation, boats, and robotics. In electric planes, every kilogram saved means more range or payload. YASA's motor could cut hundreds of kilos from future aircraft. The same applies to boats, drones, and any application needing lots of power in a small, light package. For cars, this breakthrough ends the compromise between speed and weight. The next generation of EVs will be fast, clean, and genuinely fun to drive. YASA's prototype even exceeded their own test limits. More power may be coming. As the tech matures, expect it to spread from AMG flagships to mainstream Mercedes models. This isn't just a moment, it's the start of a new era in mobility. Performance is getting smarter, lighter, and more exciting. The revolution has taken flight, and it's only just begun.